What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video, we are going to review the Wolf Capital. Let's see how Wolf Capital is doing. So together, we will redefine staking. So total investment is $6.8 million. Okay, 6.8 million USDC invested in this protocol. So currently, they have 2,430 investors, and number of teams is 161 teams. Okay, so if you're not familiar with Wolfpack, so where is Wolfpack? Okay, so Wolfpack is a staking protocol where you stake USDC on Binance Smart Chain and you can earn up to 1.5% daily on your investment. Okay, and how the team is able to pay this 1.5% daily is by external revenue. What's this external revenue? Tradings. Okay, so essentially they are trading crypto and I believe Forex. I'm not sure about Forex, but definitely crypto. And they also have a channel where they post the trades. Okay. Apart from staking, there are teams. Okay, so you can join a team. So obviously you will have to join a team, or you can create your own team. Okay, so teams are called wolf packs. Okay, so once you join a team, the team that makes the most deposits will win a prize pool. Okay, like it says right here. So the team with the most deposits each week wins the weekly battle. Okay, so this is an incentive not only to collaborate but also adds an extra layer of excitement to your staking experience. Okay, and like I says over here, trading bots, you can check the trading bots in real time right there. Okay, the project has been KYC'd by a Naughty Docs, and over here we have the official partner. Okay, down here, scroll further down, we can find the TG group, Discord, and Twitter. Okay, so if you're not familiar with this project, come over here to the TG and ask as many questions as you want. Okay, coming over here to the dashboard, we can see the USDC contract currently has 180,000 USDC, total investment 6.8 million, total investors 2,430, and total wolf packs 161. So currently staked is 5.9 mil, so nearly 6 million USDC staked in the smart contract or in this protocol in order to generate yield, right? So they recently released an alpha NFTs, limited connect collection and limited potential. Okay, so I'm going to talk more about the alpha NFTs. Okay, so if you come over here, you click NFTs and it will take you to this page. Okay, and over here is where we can see more details about the NFT. So when you buy an NFT, so you will extend your yield accumulation. What that means is, so the standard accumulation yield is for 10 days. So you'll have to wait 7 days, and then after 7 days, you can withdraw, and then you'll have 3 days to take action. After that, your accumulation rewards will stop. But if you purchase an NFT, you can accumulate for up to 14 days. Okay, you have to hold an NFT to be able to extend your accumulation period. Also, they have the copying trading. As a Wolf Capital NFT holder, you gain exclusive access to our trading strategy. So you can copy the trades on BitGet. Okay, and you will also will benefit from the upcoming crypto off ramp service. Okay, so crypto debit card will come eventually to the NFT holders. And lastly, we will have the casino shares. So WolfBet's casino shares. Okay, so these will come, so 10% for tier 1 holders and 5% for tier 2 holders. Okay, so more information about casino will come out soon. Okay, so the goal they want to raise from the NFTs is 1.1 million USDC. So far they raised 396. Okay, So almost halfway. Okay, scrolling down, we can see that we have 3 tiers on NFTs. We have the Alpha Capital, Alpha NFT, we got a Beta NFT, and we have the Omega NFT. And below we can see the respective prices. Okay, 5K for the Alpha, 2.5 for the Beta, and 900 for the Omega. Down here we can see how many we got available. So 53, so only 47 available. This one right here, we got more available. So we have 180 and 71 available right here, and over here we have 175 available. Okay, a lot more people are buying the alpha, surprisingly. Okay, I would expect this one to be completed by now, but you know, surprisingly more people are buying into the alpha, because having the alpha NFT, you have more perks. So you have all the perks. So all the things that I mentioned above, right here, extended yield accumulation, copy trading, crypto off ramp, which is the debit card, and the casino shares, you know, they're all here on the alpha NFT. So the beta NFT has everything but da, 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 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, everything but the alpha debit card. Okay, and the omega one, you can only copy trading and extend the yield accumulation. Okay, so if you want to have the other extra perks, you will have to purchase an a different NFT. Okay, but up to you. Always do your own research. But once you have your NFT, you should be able to see your NFT portfolio right here, how much is worth and how many NFTs. Essentially, that's that, guys. And if you want to know more about the Wolf Capital, come over here to the DApp dashboard, and over here we have the FAQs. Will explain how everything works. Okay, guys, but it's very, very simple. And also, if you go on YouTube or on my past videos, I have a step-by-step tutorial how to get started with this project. That being said, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. Just wanted to give you an update about the new stuff, which is the NFTs. Okay, we got 3 NFTs, and with those NFTs, you will have these perks. Okay, me, I'm not going to buy any NFTs because in my opinion they are quite expensive, so I would rather stake my NFTs into the pools and get some yields back from those that investment. Okay, that's just me and my opinion. Okay, guys, so all the links going to be in the description. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.